Hi, today we are going to install the 12 volt OEM accessory port for the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. This is a relatively simple install, but there's a couple steps you might have to take. You will have to remove the middle fairing, which I have a video for, so you may want to go to that first if you don't know how to remove it. If your hands are big and have a hard time moving around and getting this to work, you will have to remove your side cover and your lower fairing, which I also have videos for. The only tool needed just for this install, with the way I did it where I don't have to remove this whole panel, is a Phillips bit for a drill, a short one, and a small socket wrench with a socket that fits that bit. So we're basically turning the socket wrench into a screwdriver. And that will be the only tool you need for this install, other than the 4mm hex bit and a small screwdriver or something to push the pins out for removing the middle fairing. Let's get started. Now that everything's back together, you have your accessory port ready to use for anything you need to plug in. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, keep the rubber side down. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.